package number 2. I'm just gonna open this package. There we go. So this package came from the Nightmare King, Max, and I bought this from him. I was on a call and he had this, and I was like, hey, would you sell that? And he was like, yeah, I'll sell it, why not? And I was like, cool, bro. And so he sold it. It was not particularly cheap, but I offered it a lot, actually, because this is one that I have been looking for a while, actually. So let's get this out of the packaging. Let's show the front. I got the Halloween floating friendly ghost. Let's open up the rest of it and set him up. I don't actually have anywhere in my room to hang this, so this might be a little tough, actually. I'll find something. So this is one that I've been looking for like a while, and I finally just found one, which is cool, very cool, and there's this connector piece. I don't know what this does, and original instructions and stuff. That is really cool. Let's open up the head. There's the head, and it has the hands inside of the head, packed very nicely. Thank you, Max. Looks very cool. Very clean. Some really good condition. Where are my skizzers? Number 1, number 2, number 3. So anyway, alright, so since I don't have anywhere to put this, I have to hang it down here, but whatever. Alright, so now I'm going to be setting up a floating ghost, and you might want to watch carefully if you floating ghost fans out there are watching and you don't know how to set it up, because this is a really tricky one. This is almost impossible to perfect. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to do it right now. Shoot. So this one goes, I think it goes in the middle. What we do here is we press down on these two, it's right here, press down, and they should connect into the 2 little holes that fit for them. So, like here. And so, that plugs in there. And we got the other side, which, this is really difficult, you might want to watch carefully. Goes in like so. Tricky, I know. So I'm going to take the top of the blue thing, I'm going to connect it to the hook. Pretty simple. Finally, the other hand, which is gonna go in here. And voila, we have a floating ghost. Now, I was just being sarcastic when I said that this was really hard to set up, but I feel as though I need to explain the fact that I was being sarcastic for fear of you criticizing me in the comments without realizing that. Stay with me now. I'm gonna go set this up. Alright, where's a good hook I can get this latched onto? There we go. We got a good one right there. Damn it, but I can't reach it. Okay guys, so here it is. Sorry if I kind of sound a little bit more unmotivated now. I'm doing 2 videos back to back, which I don't typically do. So it's a little tiring, but anyway. Thank you, Max, for selling this. I got this for, I think with shipping, it was $65, which, you know, that's a little bit much, but, like, that's how much I offered, because I've been looking for this thing for, like, months now, and I'm sure that eBay would probably charge much more. So I'm pretty happy that I got it. It's part of the Floating Ghost series. It was one of the first ones that was made, along with the Scary Ghost, which I actually also have that one. I have the 2 originals. And this is really interesting. It actually uses the phrases from the Giggle Buddies, and it has like all the phrases, and they're all combined together in one activation, and I think it's really cool. It's really interesting how they did that. It came in perfect condition. There was nothing to do to it from the start. It came with the original box instructions. It even has the wire that allows it to play sound when it's in the box, which is really cool. So anyway, that's really all I have to say about it as of right now. I'm just going to go to reading the box, and then if I can think of anything else to say, I'll say it in a minute. Replacement batteries are for AA's. Try me, push button to hear me giggle. As you can see, we've got the top of the box here. Halloween, animated, lighted, floating, friendly ghosts. Perfect decor. And then this is where the sound would come out typically. Here we have the back of the box. It's mostly instructions and junk like that. It's a Walmart box, so it does not have Gemmy Industries on the back of the box or the year that it was made in. So that's kind of lame. This Walmart was in Arizona, Bentonville, Arizona, which is, you know, that's cool. This is just assembly information that you don't need to care about at all. More of that, and that's the box. The years, this was made for a long time. I think it was like 2002 or 2001 or something like that to 2007. So this one was made for a while. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that those are the years. I'm not completely sure though. All right, so here it is. Basically, if you don't know how a floating ghost works, the gear-controlled strings raise and lower. The ghost that's attached to the strings move while it does that, of course, and that gives it the effect that it's floating, and then the lights also give it more effect, and it looks really cool in the dark, which I will show it in the dark once I finish this activation. And yeah, I'll just go ahead and show it. Sorry for the noise upstairs. I'll play it one more time for you. And here it is in the dark. I just need to get it to play. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It really was a fun one to make. This is actually a really cool item, and I think I'm going to be having a lot of fun with it in the future. Once again, I would like to thank Max for selling this to me. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I will see you guys in the next one. Next thing you are going to do is going to take your little ghoul out, and my camera is so freaking stupid. The Halloween animated lighted floating friendly ghost. Perfect decor for the porch and other indoor or covered outdoor areas. Sound and motion activated. Lights up while floating. Wait, does it light up? I'm not even sure if it lights up. Damn it! Sorry if... Damn it! I forgot to put frickin' batteries in it. So, oh my god, what is that?